In this video, we will be giving you an overview of all of the settings options that are available on examtesting.com. To get started, log into your exam testing portal. Here you will see your main dashboard as well as your administrative toolbar. On the toolbar, click on the Settings tab. We will now take a quick look at each option. Click on the Sections option. A section is a category or topic that you can group questions by. Any sections previously created will be shown here. To add a new section, click the green plus symbol, enter a name and description, and then click Save. You can also click the gear icon to edit or delete an existing section. The next option is the Groups. A group is a collection of candidates. For example, all of the students in one particular class. Any previously created groups will be shown here. To add a group, click the green plus symbol, enter a name and description, and click Save. Once again, you can click the gear icon to edit or delete an existing group. After the Groups option, we go to the Directions option. A direction is a passage or paragraph that can be used for multiple questions. Just like with the previous options, existing directions are located here, and you can click the green plus symbol to add new ones. Just enter a name for the direction, and then you can write the passage or paragraph that will be used for multiple questions in the direction box. Complete by clicking Save. You can edit or delete directions by clicking on the gear icon. You are now ready to set the Assign Essay Marks option. This one allows you to assign points to any essay questions that your candidates have entered. All of the completed answers are shown here. To assign marks, click on the Assign button. You can then review the full question, the candidate's answer to the question, and then assign up to the maximum number of marks here. Click Save to confirm the marks. You can now repeat the process of assigning essay marks for any other pending answers listed. Under the Administrative Accounts option, all the existing admin accounts will be listed, and you can click the green plus symbol to add new ones by entering their first and last names, email address, and password. You can then check this box to have the new credentials sent to the account owner. Click Save to complete the process. From the gear icon, you can set access rights, edit and delete accounts, and send credentials to the account owner. When you click the Certificate Maker option, you will first see the default template. From the Choose Design tab, you can select a colored background, upload your own background, and select a font. From the Edit Text tab, you can change the text that appears on the certificate. When you're happy with the look of your certificate, click Finish and Save to lock in the certificate and complete the process. You can now proceed to the Exam Monitor option. This one gives you a real-time look at your exams to see who is currently taking them, who has completed them, who has dropped them, and how many attempts have been made on the exams. You can also see the user's IP address, operating system, browser, and location. Now let's take a look at how to export data. After clicking the option, you can choose whether you want to export groups, candidates, sections, directions, questions, or exam history. Once you've selected your option, click on Export Data, and an export in Excel format will start automatically. Under the email settings, you can designate a default from name as well as whether you want to use a default no reply address or if you want to set up a custom email reply address. If you choose the latter, you will need to enter that email address here. Once you've completed the information, click Save Settings. You can also set up default templates for various emails that you send on a regular basis. Now that we've established those settings, let's go back to the Send Emails option. To send an email, click on the green plus symbol, enter the subject and message you want to send, and then decide if you want the email to go to all candidates or just those within a specific group. Finish by clicking Send Email. Similar to emails, we can now establish settings for SMS by going here. Once there, you will need to enter your SMS gateway provider URL as well as required API variables. If you are unsure what these are, you can click here for further guidance. Once the information is entered, click Save. You are now set to go to the Send SMS option. Just like with emails, you click the green plus symbol, enter your message, and then select if you want everyone to receive the SMS or just those in a specific group. Click Send SMS to complete the process. Now let's see how to track candidate activity. Here you can view the activity of your candidates including their IP address, log in and log out timings, and more. You can also choose the time frame that you want to review the activity for. An important option within the system is Preferences. Here you can set your preferences for questions, exams, email alerts, candidates, and whether or not you want TestMaker enabled. With TestMaker, you can give your candidates the ability to create exams in either test mode or practice mode and choose questions based on their difficulty level. These settings can be further configured by clicking here. Next up, we have the Feedback option. Once you enter this option, you will be able to see an overview of all of the feedback that candidates have left for you. To view detailed information, click on View. From here, you can also reply to that candidate regarding their feedback using your default template, which you can customize as needed. Click Send to complete the reply. The final option is for managing exam security. Here you can see an overview of all of the exam security issues that have been submitted during exams, such as someone trying to copy and paste or print a screen. To avoid disabling the candidate, you will need to click on the Resolve button and mark the issue as resolved. That completes this overview of the Settings tab. Log in to see how easy it is to apply and modify the settings for your exams at examtesting.com.